Hello, boys and girls. Miss Calhoun here. Today we're going to be reading a nonfiction text about robins. This is the table of contents. Again, the table of contents is the place where we learn about different parts of what it is we are reading about. All animals begin life, grow, and have babies. The baby animals grow up and become parents as well. This is called a life cycle. Robins are birds. All birds have wings, a beak, and feathers. Robins are known for their orange or red chest feathers. A baby robin is born when it hatches from an egg. It uses its beak to make small holes in the shell. Then, the baby robin pushes its way out. Robin eggs are light blue. Baby robins are called nestlings. Only some parts of their bodies have feathers. These feathers are called down. Nestlings cannot see when they first hatch. Robins eat and grow for about 2 weeks. Then they leave the nest and learn to fly. Robins are called fledglings at this stage of the life cycle. Robins are adults at about 1 year of age. They can have babies the spring after they are born. This is the adult stage of the life cycle. A robin can lay 2 or 3 groups of eggs every year. Each group is called a clutch. There are about 4 eggs in a clutch. Robins can lay 1 egg each day. A mother robin sits on her eggs for about 14 days. She does this to keep them warm. This is called brooding. Robins do not brood until the full clutch has been laid. There are only 2 kinds of robins. Each kind has different colored feathers. Fledglings get their feather colors from their parents. Life Cycles Quiz. Test your knowledge of a robin's life cycle by taking this quiz. Look at these pictures. Which stage of the life cycle do you see in each picture? Go ahead and pause this video and see if you can guess correctly. This is obvious. The blue eggs is the egg life cycle where it starts. Then across to the top left of that is the nestling. Then the fledgling is where the bird is getting fed by the parents. And then an adult bird is getting ready to fly. Great job, boys and girls. You just learned about robins. Now get ready next time because the next time I read this to you guys, we're going to be looking at the facts and we're going to be filling out another mind map. Have a wonderful day.